Tonight, not far from the Alabama Lime, an RV park is heavily damaged, if not destroyed. A tornado came through this morning, damaging campers and trapping residents. Let's head out to WDHN's Tyler White and Mariana.
Yes, hey Michael, the wind's obviously still blowing, but nothing close to what happened earlier this morning when a tornado came through. And now we stand in the wake, what remains of the Florida Cavern RV Resort here in Mariana, Florida. It's really a tragic day for many people who called this place their home, but the important thing to note is the number 0. That's the number of fatalities that occurred during today's storms.
When you look here, nobody lost their life, and this is all details and stuff. We can fix this. It's not as bad as it was after Hurricane Michael, because we've got a lot of the infrastructure in place. We still have water, we still have sewer, so things are a lot better. Yeah, Wi-Fi's down and electricity obviously is down for a while, but we're very fortunate.
Fortunate is certainly one way to describe what happened in Mariana today, because there was a chance for a much more tragic outcome.
Yeah, gas containers that were exploding and natural gas and propane, brand new many houses. We bought 7 of them, that 4 of those have been smashed, and people were injured and taken to the hospital. We had 3 or 4 individuals that were driven in ambulance to the hospital, and none of them were life-threatening.
The fortune of this outcome came from one key factor: the readiness and response time of first responders.
The first responders, I no sooner got over to this RV and there were blue and red lights pulling into our place here, and those guys showed up just so fast and unbelievable.
Obviously, you see what we saw when we rolled in, and immediately these guys rolled in right behind us, fire and rescue, and we started going camper to camper to determine if there was people trapped inside, and there were several that were trapped in their structures, in their RVs, and several that had to be cut out with saws.
This community is one that has persevered situations similar to this before, but they know a little help won't hurt as they begin to rebuild again.
Just pray for this community right here, because all these homes, all these RVs that you see, people were living in them, and they are my friends. These people are my family.
So a community that calls each other friends and is no stranger to picking up the pieces and putting them back together again, it bodes well to this community coming out of this stronger than ever. Local in Mariana, Florida, I'm Tyler White, WDHN News for the Wiregrass.